Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I am going to show you an instant and gluten-free, quick and easy Jowar dosa recipe. Jowar dosa helps in weight management, improved digestion and diabetes management. Jowar is also known as sorghum. It is a nutrient-rich grain and also a good source of complex carbs for sustained energy. It is a plant-based protein which will help in muscle repair and growth. You can have this Jowar dosa for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. Enjoy this super healthy, diabetic friendly and weight loss dosa with the yummy raw tomato and coconut chutney which goes well with this dosa. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, add 1.5 cups of Jowar flour, half cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 small chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup of grated carrot, 1/4 cup of grated beetroot, some chopped curry leaves, some chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of pink salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds and 2 teaspoons of flaxseed powder. Mix all the dry ingredients first. Now add some water into it and mix it very carefully. Add some more water. Now mix it thoroughly and make it into buttermilk like consistency. Keep this aside for 10 minutes. For the chutney, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil into a pan and heat it. Now add 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal and saute them until they become light golden brown in color. Now add 1 big onion slices and 3 slit green chilies. Fry these onion slices until they turn into light brown and translucent. Now add 3 big raw tomato slices. Saute them well and cook until they become soft and mushy. Now add some fresh coconut pieces, few curry leaves and some coriander leaves and saute them for 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame. Then add 1 teaspoon of pink salt and saute it again once. Now let it cool down and grind it into a smooth chutney. Grease the pan with very little sesame oil and heat it. Now mix the batter once. Then take 1 big ladle full of batter and pour on the tawa and spread it well by filling large gaps in between. Then keep the flame on medium high and cook the dosa till brown spots are seen and the dosa turns crispy. Now fold the dosa from one side and take out into a serving plate. Now grease the pan again and I am making the remaining dosas in the same way. Now our quick, easy, super healthy and gluten-free instant Jowar dosa is ready to serve, and I have served it with our mouth-watering raw tomato and coconut chutney. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.